even though it's a newly made concrete structure. The construction period is long, and it is dirty before handing over to the customer. I think it's common with builders. How do you deal with such situations? The countermeasure is: scrub with sandpaper. The base material is damaged, and it takes time and effort. Wash with high-pressure washer. Difficult to remove dirt, takes time to rub with a brush. At such times, see repair color number 4 light yellow. There is also a way to solve it just by spraying it quickly. This is a picture before repair. It is dirty with rain and dust. Let's spraying the C repair color. For a very natural finish. If you have a spray tool, you can construct about 30 square meters in just about 5 minutes. The material cost is 17,000 yen for 3.7 liters. About 60 square meters can be used, so it will be about 283 yen per square meter. As a feature, dries quickly even in winter. It becomes wet color even if it gets wet in the rain, wet color similar to surroundings. Since it is inorganic and water-based, it is easy to handle. When it deteriorates over time, it will fade and become powdery. If you are worried about labor costs, time, and finishing before completion and inspection, please consider it.